I've built a browser extension that's 10 times faster than the official ClickUp one. My name is Ramzi and I'm a ClickUp verified consultant. I help businesses set up this project software, but I've also been building tools that help you save yourself time on ClickUp on the side. So the first one is ClickUp to Sheets. There's dedicated video related to this one, but this new one is called Save to ClickUp. And I've already published a few videos around Save to ClickUp as soon as I launched it, because the first feature was that it would let you turn on any web page into a ClickUp task. If we get right here and we click Save to ClickUp, basically this article that's online, it's going to open up in ClickUp as a task. You'll be able to read it later, to go through it, etc., etc. Now that's cool, but you might want to create your own tasks from any context in your browser. And the ClickUp Chrome extension lets you do that, but it's fairly slow, to be honest. And I feel like the user experience is not the best. So I've created an alternative into Save to ClickUp. So say you're in ClickUp, we have this list called Capture. It's part of my GTD template, by the way. This is a template that I've demoed in the past. I've been improving it over time, and it's basically the tool I use to capture any new idea that I have and then move it either to a personal project, a business project, or use it as a read it later. It's basically my personal inbox. In this capture list, I create tasks sometimes, like a launch ad campaign for Save to ClickUp, for example. That is a task that I've created in ClickUp, right? But say I want to create a task from any context. I'm browsing the web, I have an idea, something pops up, I'm reading an interesting article or interesting research, and I want to capture something new. Instead of going to ClickUp and finding out that list and writing down my task, all I can do is go into Save to ClickUp, pick out the capture list, and then create a task from there. It's a new tab that's been created, and you have the choice between creating a task or saving the actual web page. Now you have both options available. So if I click create a task, I could say launch Save to ClickUp ads campaign, and I could say find an ads consultant and prepare the creatives. I can set those as subtasks later if I want to. This is just an example of a description for my task. And then as a comment, I can say the ads need to be launched in January 2025. So this task has nothing to do with the browser context. I could be anywhere in my browser, but there has been situations where I have a new idea, have a new task, and instead of having to go to ClickUp, I wanted something that saves me time from going there and just jotting down my task quickly and taking care of it and refining it later in ClickUp. If I click Save to ClickUp, this task will just be saved into ClickUp, and you'll have the task name, the task description, and the comment that will pop up right here. It's the same principle as capturing a web page, but the difference is that instead of having fixed task name description that basically correspond on the content of that web page, you have a task that you can create yourself that has nothing to do with wherever you are in your browser. Now, this is the second feature of Save to ClickUp, and I already have the third feature in mind. It's probably going to be around time tracking and saving yourself time from tracking your tasks into ClickUp and being able to do it almost automatically from this tool. So if you're interested in that time tracking feature, or if you have another feature in mind, please let me know down in the comments. I'd be happy to see if it works for Save to ClickUp. Go try out Save to ClickUp. It's available on the Chrome Web Store. All you have to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and search Save to ClickUp, and it will pop up right there. You can open it up, you can add it to your Chrome browser. It's also available on Firefox and Microsoft Edge. And I hope this helps you out save time on your ClickUp workflow. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Until then, stay productive.